Imagine an almost imperceptible itch on your foot. Soon it transforms into a persistent burning pain. A tiny black dot appears, the sign that something has burrowed beneath your skin. This invader feeds on your blood, its body swelling into a grotesque pea-sized nodule. The area becomes inflamed, agonizingly tender, and often erupts into a pus-filled wound, a gateway for even more dangerous infections. This isn't a scene from a horror movie. For millions in impoverished communities, this is a relentless reality. It's a neglected disease called tungiasis, and it silently cripples individuals and families, stealing their mobility and their future. By the end of this video, you will understand the complete life cycle of this insidious parasite. We'll uncover the terrifying risks it brings, from debilitating pain to secondary infections like tetanus. Most importantly, we will reveal the simple, effective strategies being used to fight back, offering a powerful message of hope. So what is this creature? Meet Tunga penetrans, the Jigger Flea. It's the smallest flea in the world, but its impact is enormous. While both males and females feed on blood, it is the pregnant female who burrows into a host, causing the horrifying infestation. Measuring just 1 millimeter, she thrives in the dry, sandy soil and dusty floors of homes across Africa, Latin America, and the Caribbean. Because of the constant contact with the ground, human feet, toes, and the soft tissue under nails are the most common points of entry. This parasite, smaller than a sesame seed, inflicts damage that goes far beyond physical wounds. It causes severe disfigurement, makes walking impossible, and creates deep social stigma, preventing children from attending school and adults from working. It's a cycle of poverty and pain we must understand to break. The invasion begins silently. A female jigger flea seeks exposed skin, typically on the feet, and uses enzymes to burrow in head first. The process is painless, so early detection is rare. Within hours, she is completely submerged, leaving only her abdomen's tip exposed to the air. This deceptive calm marks the start of a serious parasitic infection. Once embedded, the flea enters a phase of rapid growth, or hypertrophy. For 2 weeks, she feeds on the host's blood, her abdomen swelling up to 2,000 times its original size as it fills with eggs. This creates a visible lesion, a whitish, pea-sized nodule with a central black dot. This parasitic assault causes intense inflammation and pressure. At her peak, the flea expels over 100 eggs onto the ground, contaminating the soil to continue the life cycle. After this, she dies, but her body remains embedded. The decaying carcass acts as a foreign body, triggering a severe immune response that results in painful abscesses and deep ulcers, creating a gateway for secondary infections. The consequences of an untreated infestation are devastating. Open sores lead to secondary bacterial infections like cellulitis and provide an entry point for life-threatening tetanus. Chronic infestations cause severe tissue damage, resulting in permanent deformities, loss of toenails, and even amputation. The constant crippling pain prevents children from attending school and adults from working, trapping families in a cycle of poverty. A dangerous myth suggests jiggers simply dry out on their own. This is false. Attempting home removal with unsterile tools like pins is also life-threatening. It can leave parts of the parasite behind and introduce bacteria, causing tetanus or sepsis. The only safe method is professional extraction by a trained health worker using sterile instruments to meticulously remove the entire flea and its egg sac, then cleaning and dressing the wound. Thankfully, prevention is straightforward. The first line of defense is consistent use of closed-toe footwear. Community-level hygiene is also critical. Regularly sweeping and plastering dirt floors makes the environment inhospitable for fleas. These simple, low-cost measures are highly effective at breaking the cycle of transmission and protecting entire communities. Tungiasis is a disease of poverty that thrives in silence, but knowledge is the antidote. Share this video to help dismantle myths and spread life-saving awareness. Comment below with your experiences to build a community of support, and subscribe to join our mission. Together, by spreading knowledge, we can consign this debilitating and preventable disease to the history books.